Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through Notion AI and how to use it. Now the first thing you need to know is that Notion has integrated artificial intelligence into its platform. This is to enhance productivity, creativity and collaboration within your workspace. Now the first thing you need to do is enable Notion AI, and to do this you must pay a subscription fee of $10 per month. So it's typically around that amount per month per user actually too. Next, you're going to activate it. So what you do is open Notion on your laptop, click on settings and members in the sidebar, navigate to Notion AI section and toggle the switch to enable Notion AI. Once you've done this, next thing is to use the AI you want. Now the AI I'm going to talk about is the one for smart suggestions for highlighted text. This is the AI feature we're going to talk about today. And what does it function? The function is that it offers context-aware suggestions when you highlight text, such as explanations or improvements. How do you use it? Well, you have to highlight the desired text and review the AI suggestion and apply them as needed. Please ensure your data is secure by using AI tools that offer data encryption and adhere to privacy policies. Regularly check information updates to access the latest AI features and improvements. By integrating AI into your Notion workspace, you can enhance productivity, streamline content creation, and effectively manage your projects. Before we go, I want to talk about the upcoming AI feature, Notion Mail app. Now, it's a customizable email app integrating AI to organize, archive, draft emails, and schedule messages, and in this case, meetings. Now, it's expected to be released early 2025 with integration for Google and Gmail accounts.